So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook app keep asking to sign in your Android phone and creating the issue during verification. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. So guys, first thing is you check internet connection. Outlook needs a stable connection to load emails. So guys, first of all you turn on your airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds and again turn on. So guys, here you see that your airplane mode is here. So again turn in and turn it on. Okay, then guys you try to switch Wi-Fi and mobile data. So guys, you try to switch both of them. If you are using Wi-Fi, so try to mobile data, and using the mobile data, so try to Wi-Fi network. Then guys, you restart your Outlook app. So guys, for restarting your Outlook app, first open your application and check it working or not. If it is not working, then you close it and again open it. Then you guys force stop your application. For this, long press on it, go to app info. After that, guys, go down and choose the option of force stop. Okay, then guys, you try to clear your Outlook caches. For this, long press on it, app info. Here you go to the option of storage and caches, and guys, here you see the option of clear caches, so you just click it and you clear the caches. Also update your application. For updating the application, simply open the Play Store. Then guys, go to the option of search, click here, and here you simply search Outlook mail, and guys click here and update it. So these are the basic fix that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.